Hi, I just wanted to kind of let everyone know I'm getting ready to fire this gun. I believe I cleaned it up good, and I've looked it over and had some people look at it, and it seems secure enough. I'm just going to shoot some of these low brass bird shot in it, just 8-shot, and just one barrel at a time, just kind of see, you know, how it reacts. But I think it'll be just fine. We'll give it a try. I want to be real careful, and I just want to see if it shoots more than anything. It's just one of those things that I'd really like to know if it works. So, but it's been doing really well. I've been cleaning on it a little bit now and then. I got the barrels just mirror shiny inside, so they're in good shape. Everything looks to be real secure, so I just thought I would go ahead and record this and let everyone see the first shots out of it. So I'll be back in just a little while. I've got to get ready, and we'll take her out in the country a little ways and shoot off a couple of rounds. So we'll see you soon. Okay, we're out here going to shoot this gun for the first time. So real windy, sorry about the wind. I'm going to put it in the left-hand barrel first. Okay, I'm going to shoot over in that area. Just there's nothing back there. I've already checked and everything. So I'm just going to shoot at that spot model right there. Okay, safety's off, and I'm going to hold it way back just in case the barrel does something. And it did fire. Try it again. Try the other side. Okay, here we go. Now, you know what? Shell might be a bit bad. Okay, here we go. There it goes. That worked. The right barrel works, the left one doesn't. So, firing pin must not be strong enough on this left one. Try it one more time on the right. Hello, we're back in town, back at home, and I just got done firing it, and as you can tell, it didn't go quite as planned. I was a little disappointed, but at least I got to shoot on one side, so that's more than it could have been. Could have not fired at all, so I was glad to at least try it. I think I might delve into it a little deeper and see if maybe that firing pin, see if I can do something to get this left side working. If not, it's a wall hanger anyway, but I like stuff to work if I can get it to work. But anyway, it was fun, and it's been a long time since I shot a shotgun, so that's kind of startled me at first, but it's fun. I really enjoy shooting. But anyway, down the road, I'll do some updates on it if I do anything else with it or whatever. But as of now, at least it didn't blow up, and it worked. And you know, for finding it in a muddy old creek with a magnet, I'm pretty pleased with it. So I thank you guys for staying with us and watching this till we got to shoot it. So we'll see everyone in a little while. Thank you.